I'm Bruce Nader of FrugalTech, and I came across a very good article in InfoWorld talking about 10 reasons to avoid Office 2007. Well, here's the deal. A lot of small businesses typically have much older versions of Office that they're using, such as Office 2000. You know, it's done the job. They've got the Visual Basic scripts. It works, you know, word processor, etc. They didn't see the need to go to Office 2003, spend the money. Well, Microsoft is ending support for Office 2000 in July of this year. And that being the case, I think a lot of companies, you know, that are considering upgrading from Office 2000, maybe Office 2003, you know, do need to know there are some caveats to look out for in that upgrade. I have Office 2007 here. I do like the ribbon interface. I didn't in the beginning, but I do now. I've learned to appreciate it because I'm using probably more features of Word and Excel than I used to because of the ribbon interface. You know, it's not that I didn't know the features were there. They just weren't easy to get to, so I just didn't use them. But anyhow, there's some folks at a company called Converter Technology that basically say that rollouts of Office 2007 are on the rise. But there are caveats. Have you considered these? They're saying that there are some reasonable concerns that need to be addressed that can help enterprise admins solve anything that might affect their deployments, considering the fact, again, that Microsoft's ending the support of Office 2000. So here they are. Concern number one, business-critical files can be at risk. Many Office files are heavily customizing using Visual Basic for applications, or VBA. This is true. I've seen that a lot. And yes, the new version of Office 2007 would break those scripts. Concern number two, broken links. The new file format in Office 2007 changes file name extensions from 3 characters, such as .doc, to now a 4-character extension, .docx. Yes and no. You can save documents as .doc, okay? It's not mandatory you save them in this docx format. That is what it will do by default, but you do not have to do that. Number 3, incompatible files. Exchanging files outside the enterprise may be problematic. Users can't be certain whether or not people receiving files are using Office 2007 or if they've downloaded a compatibility plugin. Concern number 4, access security. I've never really used Access very much, just minor. I'm not an Access pro at all, just doing minor stuff with it. But for many companies, that's what they use for their shared database, and Microsoft Access 2007 does no longer supports the object level security, and also known as workgroup security. So companies that use that will probably have to redesign their security model to accommodate that. Concern number 5 now, training issues. Users already know how to use Office 2002 or 2000, 2003. So now the new ribbon interface might cause some confusion across Office applications. Concern number 6, inconsistent user interface. New ribbon feature isn't available on all Office applications. It's not in Outlook, for example, but it's in Word. Yeah, that's. I don't think that's a biggie, but I guess. Concern number 7. This is a big one. No more Excel writing in SharePoint. Excel 2007 no longer allows users to write lists contained in SharePoint. Concern number 8, equation compatibility issues. The equation editor in Word 2007 is incompatible with Office 2003 and previous versions. Didn't know that. Concern number 9, useless DAPs. So with Access 2007, it's not possible to create, modify existing user data access pages, or DAPs, as you could in Microsoft Access 2003 or earlier versions. And finally, concern number 10, Lotus and Exchange challenges. The user interface to import files from Lotus 123/DOS in Exchange has been removed from Access 2007. And so there you have it, folks. If you're thinking, what? Those are the best 10 reasons not to upgrade. you know, I don't see any Armageddon happen there if that's the case. But nonetheless, there you have it. You've been told what 10 reasons to reconsider upgrading to Office 2007. Maybe you should switch to OpenOffice 3.0 or just stay put with what you got. Remember, just because an upgrade comes out doesn't mean you have to do it. Doesn't mean Word's going to quit processing words or you can't calculate spreadsheets on an older version. Listen, I'm Bruce Naylor, your FrugalTech, and as always, we ask for your comments on our videos. Give them a rating. Love to hear from you. Also, share our videos with your friends. We're trying to build a community here of small business computing enthusiasts, and by joining and subscribing to our FrugalTech channel, that helps everybody. I'm Bruce Naylor, FrugalTech. Remember, if it's in your office, not making you money, not saving you money, get it out of there. I'll talk to you later.